Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Hello, where are we? We're in M&M Bar on site 11 in Taya. 79 for large. You can't beat that. He's 68, you know. He's done well. This lady's got pyjamas on. It's one of these in this section. A girl in Lancaster has a friend who worked in one of these massage shops. So she kind of introduced me to her. The new Witherspoons. Look, it's been there a while, but it's moved from further up. Sawadee Krab! Are you rolling me in? You see my friend?
No see it. Okay, Krab.
No beer today.
I believe after the beer.
Yeah, after.
Okay.
Right, let's get checked in at gate B.
ปลอดภัยเราขอแนะนำให้ท่านรัดเข็มขัดนิรภัยตลอดการเดินทาง We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight. Continue using the mask until advised by the cabin crew.
Now then, this is my little room in Khon Kaen. Tamai kun chop manu.
เทียม
Gatiam, Manao,
มะนาวค่ะ
Makurtet,
ใช่
Mairu,
ไอ้กระชายค่ะ
Gachai. Alright, mate?
อร่อยค่ะ
Alright, mate. Okay, kapom. An egg, yeah?
ไข่
Kai.
ไข่เป็ด
Pet. Looks alright, smells nice.
60 บาท
Poxip, okay, cup.
ร้อนค่ะ
Oh, thank you. I don't know how old this vehicle is. It sounds to me like it's on its last legs. I'm in a public place, but if I could, I'd smash my face in. That's how I feel. I'm an idiot. According to my Google Maps, walking, it's 25 minutes from here. As you know, in Thailand, you can't really make plans. I've decided this guy to take me to Udon, 1100. I'll be wearing tonight with pride around the sides and bars of Udon my city shirt with pride, as maybe they will be presented and clapped on the pitch by Chelsea. They may be presenting the trophy tonight. Now then, where are we? I'm just coming out of my hotel, the Old Inn in Udon Thani, and I'm going to go for a few beers, see what happens tonight around Udon Thani. Should I have?
Should be
Bean?
Yes.
Fried bread, sausage, bacon, beans and an egg, jam, toast and a little bit of fruit. So this will be on my members channel because of all this rap music blaring away. I've got this dish, I have absolutely no idea what it is. It's got coconut in it and chicken, and then I just asked the girl to put stuff in what she thought that wasn't spicy. Look. Hello, hello. It's been red hot today and I smell like my nana's dog. It's been swimming in the canal. It doesn't matter because nobody judges you here. Sat in the airport at Udon Thani, got about 20-25 minutes before I board to Bangkok, and all of a sudden I'm in turmoil in my head. Rushing here and rushing there. That's it now. I've had my fill of travelling. I'm going to relax. 6 days my time. Who are the champions of England?
Manchester City!
ไพ่บนไม่มีอยู่
กริลไงต้องเข้าใจว่ากริลคือ